In Kotlin, the Boolean data type is used to represent two possible values, true and false. Booleans are fundamental for expressing conditions and making decisions in code. Let's start by creating our first Boolean. I'll name it as my Boolean. It's of type Boolean equals to true. Here I'm creating a Boolean named as my Boolean and set its value to true. Booleans are often used in conditional expressions to control the flow of your program. For example, I'll change this my Boolean to is raining, and I'll check using the if condition is raining equal to true, then print a message, it's raining outside. Let's run our program. And here is the message, it's raining outside, since is raining variable is true. Also, you can omit this, run the program. Later on, we'll learn about the if and else and the other conditional statements, but I want from you to understand that Booleans are used for conditional statements and to control the flow of your program. Let me change to false, run again. And you can see there is no output because is raining is false. And here I'm checking it. If it is true, then print this line. If it is false, don't execute this block of code. So Booleans are essential for controlling program flow, making decisions, and expressing conditions.